In the following, we will deal with the lexical changes that can arise from figurative use of language. When we talk about the lexical changes of a language, we can distinguish between widening, narrowing, or semantic shifts. Another well-known type of lexical change is figurative use. While we use literal meaning in language to communicate exactly what we mean, figurative meaning uses a word or a phrase in a way that extends beyond its factual description. This shift in the meaning is often based on an analogy or likeness between different things. For example, the word crane denotes a bird. This is what we consider its original biological meaning. However, we also use crane to refer to a machine that is used to lift heavy objects, due to the similarities between the animal's long, thin neck and the machine's long, thin structure. By exploring these similarities in the relation between different objects, speakers of a language can communicate their thoughts with more expressive or even dramatic language and create a wide range of figures of speech, including metaphors, similes, personifications, and many more. Besides their use in literary prose, the figurative use of language is also commonly used by speakers of a language in their everyday life. In fact, figurative use is so ubiquitous in communication that many words that were first used to describe an interesting resemblance to another are nowadays hardly recognized anymore.